Hello and welcome back to the solder side. Today we're going to be working on this Radica Cube World game. Okay, so this is what we've got. It's a bit discoloured on the back, but there's not much I can do about that, I don't think. I might try clean it up. Let's find out what's wrong with it. Okay, so off the bat, I can see there's a bit of greenery in there. So I've got a feeling this thing doesn't power on, which is what the listing said. And okay, that doesn't seem to do anything. And even with the reset button, nothing happens. Okay, so I guess let's get this apart and see if we can sort this out. Looks like the other side's come off. So somebody has definitely been in here before. Put that to one side. So I need to try and figure out where that goes. I might have to get it under the microscope. So I'll see if I can get any more off, but I don't really want to have to take the screen off. Spotted this, so this isn't going to work at all. There's going to be missing pixels, which is highly annoying. That is a nice surprise. I just thought it wouldn't power on, so annoyingly there was some fibbing going on in the eBay listings. I just need to adjust the voltage. We only want, actually 3 volts is okay. Well, that still doesn't seem to turn on. So either 3 volts isn't enough, or this still isn't connected. Okay, let me just do a bit of probing. Is there somewhere else that this could go. Okay, so it's definitely connected. Now where does this one go, this positive one? So it goes straight to here, which has got corrosion on it. Okay, I'm gonna take it back out because clearly I need to put this under the microscope, and I mean that looks like it's seen better days, but it might still work. So let me get it under the microscope and see what else we can find that they've not mentioned in the eBay listing. Okay, so we're back from the microscope. I am going to roll this over and I'm going to put in 3 volts and see what happens now. I'm hoping that that was the only damaged trace and that there's not going to be any more surprises. Oh yeah. Oh, sugar. Turn that off. I mean, that did turn on for a second. It's just because it's loose. It's fine. I'll get new battery terminals put into the case. I mean, whoever worked on this last did a right job on it with the terminals and the soldering job. Okay, so I am going to try and get that sorted. let's hopefully start getting this back together now. Oh, you're joking. That was annoying. And looks like this has come off now, which is rather annoying. Let's strip it a bit and we'll have to solder it back on. No! Why is it not coming on? Why? Oh. Ooh. Yeah. I actually have no idea how to play this. Oh, I guess you're just supposed to catch stuff. So the buttons all seem to work. Oh, okay. Yeah. No, I'm happy with that. All seems to work. So apart from the screen, I don't think I can get replacement ribbon cables for those for these screens. Don't actually know how old these things are. Wonder if it says on the battery cover. No. But yeah, let me finish screwing it back together. So I'll just take the battery out and we will finish this off. Brilliant. So there we have it. We have fixed up this Radica Radica Cube World block bash. I don't have a second one, so I can't test if these seem to work. But it does seem to do stuff when you press them. I think. I don't know if it's supposed to be doing stuff. But yeah, it all seems to be making noise. It's all there. Unfortunately, I don't think I can fix the screen because the ribbon cable's torn, and I don't think... I mean, I could go through the effort of trying to solder some wires, but I think I'll just cause more damage than needs be. So I think I'm going to call it there. You know, we've gone from no power at all to power, and unfortunately it wasn't as simple as just the contacts being gunky, but I did give that some new ones. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.